Hello future engineers, welcome back to Cutoff 360. So in this video we are going to discuss about physics and chemistry predicted paper based on the previous year's trend. So make sure to watch it till the end. This paper has been prepared based on the past 3 years analysis, so surely it will help you to answer, get the type of question that are asked in the exam. So don't go anywhere, check out the complete question paper which contains 60 questions. So as you can see in the first question from current electricity, we have highlighted the topic the question belongs to, overall the high priority of the question, type of question, and the which chapter or which topic it belongs to. So as you can see on the screen for the first question, second is the answer. So currently we are not in the process of discussing the questions. However, like you can check out overall the explanation for it, how the answer came as 2 ohms, and because we have to highlight 60 questions, we are trying to keep this video small. So check out the whole video. Also, if you need access to this particular practice sheet, if you need access to this particular practice sheet, then make sure to comment down yes in the comment section. Once we reach 20 comments, we will surely give you access to each candidate this particular access to this sheet where you can practice questions and decide how many marks you are going to get in the exam. So as we move ahead, you can see second question on the screen from the same topic, and the answer for the same is C, and the priority is high priority questions. Next, third question is conceptual based question, and the correct answer for the same is B, which is energy, and the correct answer can be seen on the screen along with the explanation. Next, fourth question you can see on the screen. So these questions are prepared based on the overall chapter wise weightage also. So we have analyzed multiple aspects to create this question, so make sure you check out all the 60 questions that is present in the screen. So for fourth question, B is the correct answer. Next, as we move ahead, we have question from Electrostatics. So you can see on the screen the question is high priority, and the correct answer for the same is A. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, then make sure to do so. We are going to create more such video on expected marks versus percentile, toughest shift, answer key. Also, we are going to go live on the answer key, so don't miss out on the video live day. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Again, I am saying you will be getting very important aspects related to KCET, Comet K, and other engineering exams along with the medical exams. So as we move ahead, sixth question is on the screen, and the answer for the same is B. Next, you can check out the seventh question, and the question is numerical based question, and the correct answer for the same is A. Next, we have question from moving charge and magnetism. You can check out the topic over here, and the correct answer for the same, which is 8th question, is B, which is 2R, and the question is high priority. Then you can check out the 9th question, and the correct answer for the same is C. Then we have 10th question, and the correct answer for the same is A. So all these questions are priority questions, so don't forget to check out these questions, as there is a high chances that any question can appear from these listed, and not even the same question, but type will be almost same, so don't miss out this particular question paper. So next, as we move ahead, we have a question from ray optics. So 11th question can be seen on the screen. So the correct answer for the same is A, which is minus 22.5 centimeter, and the explanation can be seen on the screen. Next, we have 12th question from on the screen, and the correct answer for the same is B, and the topic is conceptual. Next, we have 13th question, and the correct answer for the same is A, and the question is numerical based, where convex length f is equal to 20 cm forms a real image at 60 cm. So object distances, you have to find the object distance. So currently we are not in a process of discussing the question. If you feel that you want to explanation for any particular question, you can comment down the same. Also comment down yes if you need access to this particular predicted paper, as we are going to give you a very access to it once we receive 20 comments minimum from multiple people. Next, we have question from gravitation, as you can see on the screen, which is 14th question, and the correct answer for the same is B. For the 15th question, the correct answer for the same is C, as you can see on the screen. So next, as we move ahead, we have question from thermodynamics. So the correct answer for the 16th question is B, and the explanation can be checked on the screen. Next, we have 17th question, which has been prepared based on the previous year's analysis, and you must check it out. And the correct answer is A, which is 40%. Next is alternating current, and the correct answer for the same is D, which is 50.3 hertz, and the explanation can be checked on the screen. As you move ahead to 19th question, you can check it out. The correct answer for the same is A. Next we have question from atom and nuclei. So the correct answer for 28th question is B, which can be checked on the screen along with the explanation. For 21st question, you can pause the video. If you think that we are going little fast, you can pause the video, you can check out what and all questions are there, and then you can proceed with other question. But again, don't forget to miss these questions, as these questions are going to be very useful if you are appearing for the KCET 2026 exam. Then we have 21st question, and the correct answer for the same is A. Next we have 22 question from photoelectric effect, and the correct answer for the same is B. And for 23rd question from de Broglie wavelength, it's a very important topic that, like, every year we see some or other question related to same, so you must check it out, and the correct answer for the same is A. As you move ahead to 24th question, the question is from EM induction, and the correct answer for the same is B, which is 10 volts. For wave optics, you can check it out. The correct answer for the same is B, which is 2 mm. For kinematics, correct answer can be checked on the screen, which is A, 5 meter. And as we move ahead, the explanation, you can check the explanation also for the 26th question. Next we have 27th question, and the difficulty level is moderate. As you can see, first we have highlighted the high priority topics, then we have highlighted the moderate topics. So the correct answer for the same is B. And as you move ahead to 28th question, the question difficulty level is moderate, and the correct answer for the same is B. So right now the answer is highlighted on the screen, but the paper that I will be providing you will not have the answers. There will be a separate sheet for answers. It will act as a mock test where you can give the mock test and analyze how is your performance, and based on that you can decide, like, which topic you should practice for the exam day. Next we have 29th question, and for the same the correct answer is B. And last but not the least, we have 38th question, and the correct answer for the same can be checked on the screen, which is B. Now that you are aware of all the 30 questions from physics, let's move on to chemistry. So first we have question from aldehyde and ketones. So it is a conceptual based question, and the correct answer for the same is A, and the explanation can be checked on the screen. As we move ahead, we have second question on the screen from the topic, and the correct answer is B for it, and the correct explanation can be checked on the screen. So we have arranged this paper in a way where the highest priority chapters are placed on the top, and as we go down with the lower priority. So in exams the question might come shuffled, but the difficulty level and the type of question can be expected the same as shown in the screen. So for third question, B is the correct answer, and the correct answer explanation for the same can be checked on the screen. Fourth, we have question from coordinate compound, and the correct answer for the fourth question is B, and explanation is also displayed on the screen. As we move ahead, we have fifth question, numerical based questions, and the correct answer for the same is B, which is +3. For sixth question, you have correct answer for the same is B, which is NO2, and the explanation can be checked on the screen. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, then don't forget to do so, as you are going to explore very important and precious parts related to KCET, including the counseling, expected cutoff, everything. Will be providing details here, so make sure to like and subscribe the channel. So as we move ahead, we have seventh question on the screen, and the correct answer for the same is B. For eighth question, the correct answer is C, and the correct explanation for the same can be checked on the screen. So in this video, currently we are trying to keep this video short. That is the reason why we are not discussing every questions. But if you need explanation for any question, comment down the same. Also, if you need assistance related to the exam or the counseling or anything, make sure to comment down your query. And if you need access to this particular predicted paper, like, we can give you the access, you need to comment down yes. Once we have 20 comments in the comment box, surely we'll provide you access to the candidate who have also subscribed the channel. So you need to comment yes and subscribe the channel, then only you will get access to this particular paper. Next we have ninth question on the screen, and the correct answer for the same is C, and the explanation for the same can be checked on the screen. Moving ahead, we have 10th question from electrochemistry, which is a high priority chapter and a numerical based question, and the correct answer for the same is 0.46 volt, and the explanation can be checked on the screen on how the answer was accomplished. 11th question correct answer is A, which is 4.32 gram, and the correct answer, like explanation for the answer, can be checked on the screen. As we move ahead, we have 12th question from chemical kinematics, and it is chemical kinetics is an important chapter in the overall KCET, like as per the previous year's trend. So make sure to attend these questions, which are like, it is a high priority and little bit difficult, but it is almost doable if you are clear with the concept. So for the 12th question, the correct answer is B, which is 1 min, and the correct explanation can be checked on the screen. Next, as we move ahead, we have 13th question, and the correct answer for the same is C, and the explanation can be checked on the screen. So as we move ahead, next we have question from solution, 14th question, and the correct answer for the same is 0.5 m. 15th question can answer have B, which is 2. As we move ahead, we have another question from amines, and the correct answer for the same is B. And as we move ahead, the correct answer for the same can be checked on the screen, which is 17th question answer is A, and the question priority is high priority and a conceptual based questions. You can pause the video and check out the question and answer as well, as we are moving ahead and trying to wrap up this video soon, so that it doesn't become lengthy for everyone to watch the video, because no one wants to sit for 15-20 minutes and just watch the same video again and again. So next we have 18th question from biomolecules, and the correct answer for the same is B, which is glucose. And as we move ahead, we have 19th question conceptual based, and the correct answer for the same is protein. Enzymes are chemically, so these are always proteins. So 19th question answer, you can check it out on the screen. We have next question from haloalkenes, and the correct answer for the same is B. And as we move ahead for the 21st question conceptual based, the correct answer can be checked on the screen, which is D, and the explanation is also displayed on the screen. So by now you must be aware of all the 21st question, and if you feel that you were not able to find question answer for any one particular question, then make sure to pause the video, solve it, and try to revise it. Try to revise the chapter so that you don't feel the same during the exam day. Next we have another question from S block, and the correct answer for the same is D, and the question belongs to S block. Again I'm saying next we have 23rd question, and the correct answer for the same is C. As we move ahead for 24th question from polymers, the correct answer for the same is C, and the question difficulty level is moderate. Next we have question from surface chemistry, and the answer can be checked on the screen, which is B. And as we move ahead, we have 26th question from solid state, and the correct answer for the same is C, which is 4, and the difficulty level of the question and topic is moderate. Next we have question from chemical bonding, which is 27th question, and the answer is C for it. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, then don't forget to do so, as you are going to explore very important aspects of question in this. And if you need access to this particular paper, make sure to comment down yes in the comment box. Next 28th question is from general organic, and the difficulty level of the question is moderate, and the correct answer is B. As you move ahead, we have 29th question from thermochemistry, and the correct answer can be checked on the screen, which is C. And lastly, we have 38th question from alcohol and phenols, and the correct answer for the same is B. So hope you like the video, and if we'll be creating the same video on maths and biology as well. So don't forget, if you need access to this particular paper, you have to comment down yes, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get more future updates on KCET. And we'll be going live with the answer key on the answer key day, so make sure to join with us.